Last summer, I took a trip to Europe and I noticed that most cars are manual. Here in the US, I noticed most cars are automatic. So I decided to do a little test to find out exactly how many people drive manual in the US. So let's check that out. All right, what's your name?
Connor Duncanson.
Connor Duncanson. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
I don't already know you. All right. So the question I have for you is, do you drive often?
Yes.
Yes, you do drive often. Okay. Now, is your car or the car you drive automatic or manual transmission?
Automatic.
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 Automatic?
Automatic.
Automatic? Okay.
Mine's is automatic.
It's automatic? Do you know what the difference is?
Well, manual is stick shift, so you have to switch the gears yourself, and automatic, it does it for you, so it switches the gears, like, automatically. You don't have to, like, manually, like, shift the staff or whatever. Same thing.
Same thing. Know what the difference is?
Sort of. A little bit like what, the stick shift?
Yeah, yeah.
Stop laughing. Oh my god.
Now, do you know what a manual transmission is?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir, do you mind if I ask you a couple questions?
Leo, what are you doing here?
I'm asking a couple questions.
I don't want to answer your questions.
Well, do you have an automatic car or a manual?
No, I'm not answering questions.
Hey, come on. Well, it's conclusive. All Americans drive automatic. What a shame.
Yeah, it's too bad.
Yeah.
I think you might be lacking in sample size just a little bit.
Well,
I don't know.
well, after thinking about it, I realized that I can drive manual. You can drive manual.
Yeah.
But these guys can't. So I had an idea for a little challenge.
What we did was try to teach these doofuses how to drive a real car in 10 minutes. Each of us picked someone to teach. We had 10 minutes to teach them how to drive a manual transmission. And then we switched partners and would judge each of them on their driving skills, or lack thereof.
Let's cut to the clip. All right, so you have 10 minutes, or rather I have 10 minutes to teach you how to do this.
Okay.
You're gonna put the key in, just for now. Good. All right, put the clutch in, put your foot on the brake.
Clutch in, foot on the brake.
Okay, neutral.
Neutral.
And turn the car on, and now you can crank it over. Push the clutch in all the way. Perfect. Okay, so you have 5 gears. Obviously it says it right there. So, put the clutch back in, put it in first gear. Now second gear. Keep the, is that in?
Clutch is down.
Yeah. Third gear, fourth gear, and fifth. Good. Now put it in neutral. Now try and put it in reverse. Release it. There you go. Perfect. Put it in neutral. Neutral. Perfect. To start, we're going to take the brake off and put it in first gear. Good. First gear. Perfect. What you're going to do is you're going to put gas and then gradually lift off on the clutch. Okay. Make sure you're doing both gradually, all the way out with the clutch. Okay. Let's try it. That was good, but what happened was you, at the end, you were like, okay, I'm going, and then you dropped it. Okay, here I want you to get to third. Okay, shift. There you go, that was it.
Okay,
that was it.
That was better.
Yeah.
So I need to do way less gas.
Yes, shift down. Brake. We need to work on your ability to shift down quickly.
I went to fourth.
That was wrong, yeah. You see, fourth is straight back. You get to second, you just pull it to the left a little bit.
Yeah.
There you go, you're good? Okay, clutching.
What the hell was
Okay,
that?
just stop. So sometimes if you're going fast, let's see, hold on. You were in fourth. That's
I
why.
wasn't. Okay.
So.
Okay, so I thought I was in fourth. Then I put it in what I believed to be second.
And you
that
were in
was
fourth.
So I was probably actually in reverse somehow. Let's not think about that one.
Okay. They're out of time.
All right, your turn. Oh boy, have fun. I will. God help me. Oh, shut up.
Oi, Peter, you're too small. Oh. You should really. Where's the seat adjustment?
No. Before you start,
Yes.
one thing.
Oh, really?
find your lack of faith disturbing.
Put the key in the car.
I believe it is called an ignition, good sir. But the car, yes.
Put the stick thing into neutral. Alright, cool. Now, push in the clutch.
You mean the wrong pedal?
The clutch.
Okay.
Is it all the way down?
It is all the way down.
Okay, now turn the key. Great. Put it in the first gear. You have to hold in the clutch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now what you're going to do is gently release the clutch and push the gas at the same time. Now don't over rev the engine like Peter was doing. You just want a nice, easy, probably 2,000 RPM. Okay, first, we didn't undo the parking brake because we're both smart. Great. Okay. Same thing. Put it in the first gear. Nice 2,000 RPM. Just ease off the clutch. Yeah, there we go. Nice. All right, so let's stop. Just pressing the clutch and just press the brake. Great. Okay. So yeah, once we stop, put it in neutral.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's put it back in first gear. And again, like I said, a nice 2,000 RPM. Oh, very smooth. Okay, slow down. You don't need to press the clutch to turn corners or anything. And let's stay below 20 miles per hour.
Well, you
And
know,
let's not hit that
a
car.
healthy 25. No, it's a nice F-150. I wouldn't want to hit that. What are you talking about?
Okay. Good. Okay, now let's shift up to third, going up here. You don't need to accelerate. All right. Congratulations, that was first gear.
Oh. And that's 10. Fantastic, excellent job driving in circles. I could not see any wrong things going on, so
Exactly.
it's gonna be tricky.
I
to beat
could.
you.
I could see a lot
Yes,
of
I know,
things.
Leo. All right, you guys ready to go for a trip?
Oh, I'm certainly
Round
not.
the block?
But you know what?
I'm driving.
All right, let's see what you've got, Mr. Peter.
I'm
Hold
pretty
on,
confident.
Hold on,
I'm pretty
hold on.
confident. Leo's a good teacher.
I'm not.
Thanks, Peter.
Oh, hold on. So the rules are,
Oh, yeah,
'cause
yeah.
there has to be rules.
Okay.
So
Of course.
anything you do smoothly, you get a point.
Okay.
Every action you do unsmoothly, I dock a point. If
Okay.
you stall, you lose 5 points.
Okay.
If anybody helps, you lose a point.
Okay.
Everybody got that? No helping.
No helping, guy.
Fine.
All right. Well, I'm ready. You guys ready? Here we go. Here goes nothing.
Well, here goes 4 lives.
Shut up.
That's a good point. I didn't think about that until this moment.
Ooh, doing that with the clutch in and in gear. -1.
Oh, come on. That was... Fine.
I like it. We're off to a good.
Whoa,
Whoa, that's
we're off
a
to a good
negative
start
right
already.
there. Cool. That was a very good start. +1.
Thank you. Oh, come on. That wasn't that bad.
-1. Oh, very good. +1. -1.
Dang it!
The speed limit is, I think, 45 here.
Can I get a +1 for going the speed limit exactly?
I don't know what the speed limit is here, so I can neither confirm nor deny that you are going in the speed limit.
Nailed it.
What am I at so far?
Let's see, -1, -2, -1, -2, -3, -2, -1, -2, -1, -2, -1, 0. 0, 0. +1.
Yes. I got 1 point.
-1.
Damn it. Yeah, let's try it. For the win.
Good. +1.
Yes. That was clutch right there. Get it?
-1.
Oh, frick. Let's do that driveway up there. Come on now, son. That was beautiful.
Okay. +1.
We're so close.
I'm torn with that one. Okay, +1.
Yes.
Joe's gonna have to back up. That's a skill he hasn't learned yet.
Hey, well, you know what? If I back up, you'll get +5
Actually-
points.
That is true. Let's. Okay.
All right, Joe. It's your turn now. Congratulations. Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Oh, really? All right, Joe, don't kill me. You know,
On my car?
I only try to every Tuesday. It's all right. All right,
now
just as much confidence. I like it.
So, just
So,
to,
yes.
just to explain the rules, it's a -1 point for every bad shift. It's a +1 for every good shift. If
Okay.
you stall, it's -5 points.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Did I miss anything?
Nope.
Okay, sweet. Let's go. -1.
Really?
You started it in first gear.
Oh, I did.
Yeah.
We're off to a good start already. Is there a reason that the handbrake is not working? Your gas pedal is very touchy.
I'll give you a +1 for that. I'll give you a -1 for that. Wow, +1. That was good, Joe. I don't know what the hell you're doing. Just do something.
Do something.
-1 because you scared the hell out of me. Ah.
How many minuses was that exactly, Leo?
No points. That was incredible. 1 point. -point.
Oh, come on.
No points. Yeah, that was clean. However, you are.
I am going a wee bit fast. Yes.
I don't know what that was. Well, that was you turned it into a smooth turn, so that was pretty good. That was good. Hey, good news, we're not dead.
Yes, we're not. Hold on. If I park between the lines, I get more points, right?
No.
Well, then,
I thought he might have stalled it.
It's not over.
oh yeah, hold on. There, and then.
Good, yeah, you got it.
Oh no.
All right, I have the results.
All right, what are the results, Leo?
Peter, has a grand total of
2.
2. Okay.
It sounds
not bad.
beatable.
Joe has a grand total of
1.
Peter wins.
What? Yes. Back, and with that, back to the studio.
No.
I didn't know that would be on camera. Hey, congratulations, man! You won.
Why, thank you. Why, thank you.
Now, I don't think you deserve to win,
I think I
but
did.
I mean, what do you guys think? How did we do in 10 minutes time? And would you ever go through that process ever again?
Terrible and no.
Okay, well, 10 minutes is not a realistic time frame to teach somebody how to drive manual perfectly. Okay, that's just not going to happen unless you already know how to do it. So, you guys did pretty good for 10 minutes. Okay. However, I would say Peter would have a license if it was a test, and Joe would not.
I don't
just
know.
saying.
You never know. Hey.
Joe did have smoother. You had more often smoother shifts, and you were more willing to just drop the clutch when you're shifting. Peter was worried about letting go of the clutch too fast when we're already rolling, and I tried to get him to lose that habit. And I think you pulled your seat up too far.
I was too cautious, especially going into first. Really trying to get the smooth motion when in reality I probably would have been smoother if I had just kind of done it with confidence.
That's where you excelled, is that you didn't have the same caution that Peter had.
Yes.
Joe drives with gusto and confidence.
Yes.
You both did very well, though. In hindsight, I
you.
should have
I'll
been
take
more
it.
mean judging, but
Well,
I think-
will remember that.
I think Andres was, he dinged off more than I think you probably could have.
yeah.
But with that aside, again, congratulations, Joe, and
It was interesting, and I'll never do it again.
I guess this proves that you can, in fact, learn how to drive manual in 10 minutes. So
I guess.
I guess it's not that hard.
Yeah. Yeah, let's move on. All right, we'll see you guys next time.